So the next challenge is for the homeowners is how important is it for them to have a reliable, knowledgeable contractor in their corner?
It's imperative because unfortunately in the insurance restoration contracting industry, there's lots of liars, cheats, and thieves. Most consumers are aware of this. And so it's really easy to hire the wrong guy. There's lots of stories of people taking the consumer's money and never doing any work. It's crazy. I mean, that's felony theft. They're going to go to prison for that, right? Yep. So that's why it's important that you get references from people that you know and trust so you can get a contractor who's honorable, not only competent, but who's honorable and who understands the claims process so that they can educate you. They can't negotiate for you and they can't represent you because they're not a lawyer, they're not a public adjuster, but they can educate you as to how the claims process works so that you're brought up to speed. They don't coach you, but they do educate you so that you're brought up to speed and you can have an understanding of what's actually going on.
Absolutely.
Because contractors handle this stuff all day long, every day, just like the adjuster handles this all day long, every day. The consumer is at a loss because they never do this. What, are they going to have one, maybe two claims their entire life?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
So how can you possibly, you're going to an arena with a claims expert who does this all day long, every day, and you have no idea what you're doing.